This machine is for sale. It's already serviced, cleaned, lubricated, and this kind of machine are very solid, super solid, because they are old and they are no longer made, because new machine are light, very light. The material of plastic or metal is light compared with almost all machines. So I believe this machine is it will be working for long time if it's serviced frequently, or the maintenance will be at least once a year, or if it's working frequently, can be serviced or lubricated once every 2 weeks to have the moving part connections and joints smooth. So if any person is working in heavy materials, these machines need to be lubricated, because if they are working dry, all mechanism is getting worn with the heavy work. So this machine is good for leather, for vinyl, canvas, sombrola, or any thick material. This leather is around 5 ounces, and the thread that I used, it was 92, number 92 on the top. The needle is number 18, and it's working with a walking foot attached. So this walking foot is good quality. It's metal. It's for heavy work. So it's ready. It's ready for any project, any cushion or seals or something on boats or furniture, upholstery. I'm pretty sure this machine can work in good thickness, one kind of thickness, because it's already tested on thick leather, and it's good thickness. This leather is soft, but it's not too soft. It's both boot leather. It's the boot leather. So if you decide to get it, you will invest your money in very good machine.